Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We know that India tested two variants of anti-tank guided missiles on February 19, 2021, and these tests were conducted to check the combat readiness of these missiles. To be more precise, the Army variant Helena and Air Force variant Dhruvastra was successfully tested to check their capabilities in a series of multi-mission joint user trials. All parameters of the flight test were monitored by the telemetry stations, tracking systems, and the helicopters deployed by the Indian Army. During the test, these anti-tank guided missiles, with a range of over 7 kilometers, were tested, and as per the defense sources, it is said that these missiles hit the target 5 out of 5 times. These missiles were fired against realistic static and moving targets. Not only that, some missions were carried out with warheads against abandoned tanks. All these tests were performed at Pokhran deserts in Rajasthan. The ministry said that joint user trials of Helena and Dhruvastra have been carried out from Advanced Light Helicopter platform of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. These tests prove that Helena and Dhruvastra, the third generation anti-tank guided missiles, can engage targets both in direct hit mode as well as top attack mode. As per the defense sources, these missiles have all-weather day and night capability, and it can defeat battle tanks with conventional armor as well as with explosive reactive armor. Just to give more information about this missile, the Helena and Dhruvastra missiles are designed and developed indigenously by Defense Research and Development Organization. The Helena, which is also known as the helicopter-launched Nag missile, which is now named Dhruvastra, is an air-launched version of the Nag with extended range. These missiles can be fired from twin-tube stub wing-mounted launchers on board Rudra or light combat helicopter, which are manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The Helena or Dhruvastra has a range of 7 to 10 kilometers, whereas the Nag missile has a range of 500 meters to 4 kilometers. These missiles are different from Nag and is guided by an infrared imaging seeker operating in the lock-on before launch mode for target engagement. The maximum speed of this missile is said to be around 828 km per hour, and it uses a solid propellant rocket booster as the engine. The length of this missile is of 1.85 meters, diameter of 0.20 meters, and it has a mass of approximately 43 kilograms with warhead weight of 8 kilograms. Even previously, several rounds of tests were conducted using the HAL Rudra and HAL LCH to test the missile's effectiveness and performance. Each test was performed with changes in the environmental conditions, range differences, and type of targets like moving and static ones. So with all the above tests and the joint user trials of Helena and Dhruvastra missile, which were carried out from Advanced Light Helicopter platform in desert ranges on February 19, 2021, has made these missiles ready for induction into Indian Army and Indian Air Force. So let us hope these missiles are getting inducted into Indian Defence Forces at the earliest. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.